They haven't run the ball here. I'd love to see them try to establish that ground game. North Callaway's been stingy up front. Maybe they can start it with a body. He's been great on the edge. I think an option play. Give him moving pace.
First down and 10, 4-5 to Tolton, their own 16-yard line. Chris receivers